Loves, welcome to my channel, and we're going right in with it, you guys. So to do this and bleach your lace, you're going to need some Shimmer Light shampoo, some Allove BW2 Lighting Powder. You're going to need Salon Care 30 bleaching cream. You're going to need a cup and a brush, and I'm using herbal essences for my conditioner. I have a bobby pin there, aluminum foil, and I have a plastic knife that I'll be using as well. Okay, so right here I'm just getting my closure ready. I don't want to bleach the hair, so I want all the hairs away from it. You know, no bleaching the hair. I'm literally just bleaching my lace. Okay, so I'm just taking the bobby pin and just getting it all out the way. Okay, so now I'm going to take my powder and go ahead and put it into my bowl. I think I said a cup earlier, but you guys knew what I was talking about. So I'm putting it in the bowl, and I literally use like maybe 1/3 of the powder that's in the packet, because the closure is so small, I don't need a whole bunch. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the developer in there. Now this is a very strong scent, so I decided to put on gloves because my son was sleeping just in case I had to go get him. But you want your consistency to be very thick. So as I'm stirring it in, I'm just kind of eyeing it. And I want it to be so thick that when I lift up the knife, it's not falling off the knife. So I want it to be very thick, and this is going to help prevent it from like over bleaching and the bleach actually going through the lace and dyeing the hair. Okay, so this process that I'm about to begin right here, you really truthfully want to take your time with this. Okay, so instead of rubbing the brush over the lace closure, you actually should tap. Okay, so I've learned with tapping this it helps prevent over bleaching, and it's not gonna go through or bleed through on the lace. Okay, so I'm speeding this up in this video, but this should actually take the longest when it comes to bleaching your closure or bleaching your knots. Okay, so it's truly like a dab motion. Now, you're really not putting a whole bunch of pressure on the lace, you know, and so that bleaching does not go through the lace. So that's very important. You don't want to over bleach it. So I think this actually took me like 2 to 3 minutes, but I was okay with taking my time with it. So now that all the lace is fully covered like I want it to be, I'm just putting it in some aluminum foil, and I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so the 20 minutes is up. Now I'm going to take my Shimmer Lights shampoo, which is so important in this process, you guys. So I'm going to take it and I'm actually rinsing it and cleaning the hair. So what I did was I went through with the Shimmer Lights with warm to hot water, and then I rinsed it. And then I actually let my closure sit in the shampoo water, and then I rinsed it again. Okay, so now I'm going through with my herbal essence conditioner. I love this stuff, guys. It smells so good, just for the hair. And I'm just showing you guys right here, no over bleaching. It didn't go through the hair. I'm so excited with the results. You want your closure to be like as transparent as possible to pick up like the undercap and things like that. So that's the final result. I can't wait to install it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope it helped you guys, and see you guys on my next video.